Ever pondered over what would happen if a solar flare hit Earth? Imagine a sudden, intense burst of energy and radiation spewing from the sun and heading straight towards our planet. It's an intriguing, albeit a bit frightening thought. To unravel this mystery, we first need to comprehend what solar flares are. Essentially, they are sudden and intense outbursts of energy and radiation that the sun sporadically emits. These eruptions are the result of magnetic interactions within the sun's atmosphere, and they can vary significantly in their intensity. We categorize solar flares into different classes based on their strength, with X-class flares being the most potent. Now, one might wonder, what would happen if Earth were in the direct path of such a flare? For starters, our technology would bear the brunt of it. The intense radiation and charged particles from a powerful solar flare could cause havoc with satellites, communication systems, and power grids. This could result in widespread blackouts, loss of communication, and potentially damage to electronic devices. In addition, a solar flare could heighten the levels of radiation in our atmosphere. While our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere do provide a protective shield, a potent solar flare could increase radiation exposure, particularly for astronauts in space and even passengers on high-altitude flights. On a lighter note, the spectacle of solar flares is not all doom and gloom. They can also trigger vibrant light displays known as auroras, or the northern and southern lights. These occur when the charged particles from the flare interact with Earth's magnetic field, resulting in a stunning light show in the polar regions. However, there is a darker side to consider. In the event of an extremely powerful solar flare, the heightened radiation could pose health risks, especially for those at high altitudes or with compromised immune systems. So, how do we mitigate these effects? Well, scientists and space agencies are constantly on the lookout for solar activity to predict potential solar flares. While we can't prevent them, we can take steps to lessen their impact, such as improving the resilience of our power grids, developing better communication systems, and having emergency plans in place. In conclusion, solar flares, while potentially disruptive, are a natural occurrence. They not only offer the spectacle of auroras but also remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet and the universe. Understanding the potential consequences of a solar flare hitting Earth allows us to better prepare for their impact. As we continue to monitor and research solar activity, we are taking crucial steps in safeguarding our technological systems and ensuring the safety of Earth's inhabitants.